Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
Welcome to the channel. Today I got VW Golf 2002 1.6 petrol. Basically this car went to the another garage and they done the diagnostic and customer need to replace camshaft position sensor. However, I would like to go one by one through the process. Basically I'm not going to do the diagnostic, but however I'm going to show you what happened and what's going on and show you how we're going to change the camshaft position sensor. Basically you can see engine management light gone, disappeared. When she came it was there, the engine management, however now disappeared. But I got the faulty codes. There is a 4 faulty codes. First one 16726 camshaft position sensor, G40 signal too low, P0342 intermittent. That's mean on and off, occasionally it's happened. And there is a 2 faulty code for the EGR P1403 and also power supply relay ECU J271 or J363, electric malfunction P1517 intermittent. Right, basically there is a EGR problem also and the something not right ECU. However, customer diagnostic and someone confirmed to her we need to do the camshaft position sensor. I'm not going to talk through the faulty codes every one. However, I'm going to show you how we're going to change camshaft position sensor. Like this engine, basically sometimes it sit on behind timing belt. I already removed the cover and I'll try to find it this side. Normally it sit on underneath here, but I couldn't find on this car. However, when I checked thoroughly engine bay, I saw it sit on right behind of here. But however, before reach to there, I had to remove this hose and I'll show you how am I going to change camshaft position sensor. Hopefully once I change, this problem going to be sorted out. If it not, we had to go deeper diagnostic. But however, at the moment only my main focus change camshaft position sensor. Yeah, let's go to the job then. Need to remove this clamp. And there is another clamp, I'll remove it later. 7 mil for the here. And now just open this clamp and remove. Right, yeah. Now we have a bit more access to sensor. Next step, I'm going to remove this throttle body. However, I'm going to leave it this top pipe as it is, and I'll try to just little bit move backward and make it space if I need it. I'm going to remove this one. Actually, I'm going to remove the pipe and after that remove the throttle. I can leave it as it is and I'm going to remove 4 screws in the throttle. Remove careful if it dropped. Good luck for you. Right, now it's out. Slightly take little bit backward. I don't want to remove the backside coolant hose. I'm going to leave it as it is. Little bit. Right, just little bit take backward. Yeah, now I can see camshaft position sensor. I'll show you. It's holding with one screw. Yeah, you can see here, this is the camshaft position sensor. I'm going to disconnect wire connector first, then after that remove the screw and take out the sensor. Still I don't have much space here, then I'm using little bit extension and try to go from behind the throttle and remove that bolt. Little bit awkward, not easy, but we can do. Already crack. Right. Bit awkward. Managed to remove. Now I'm going to remove the sensor. Right. It's removed. Visually I'm going to inspect. I can't see anything, but I'm going to compare new one and old one. 3 connectors same, and make sure when you're going to install this o-ring sit on there. I'm going to apply a little bit oils around this area and install. And also make sure when you're going to install good quality brand. This is Bosch one. Otherwise, if you try with the online parts, be careful. Online means like a Chinese part or something. Be careful. Sometimes it's not going to do the job, then you have to repeat again this process, and timing and money, take out, remove, install. Be careful. Before install, bed practice too. Before install the sensor, good practice to install connector, wire connector first to the sensor. Then after that you can do the board. Right, it's clicked. Now install that screw. Make sure won't drop. Done. First couple of thread by hand. No need to over tight, just do the hand tight nicely. Right. Okay, nice and tight now. Right, next step, we need to install this throttle and this pipe, and after that the main pipe. Once I done, I'll come back to you. Right, fix the camshaft position sensor. Then after that I'm going to back and clear fault codes. Continue. Again, check any faulty code left there at the moment. No present fault codes. I'm going to switch off, start, switch off, start, and I'm going to do the small road test and come back to you. Thank you. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of videos like this. See you in the next video.